I think PBA is trying to be creative on how to change the pace of the game, maybe, or maybe attract more people to watch. I think obviously it will change the game a lot. I don't know how much it will be used in our, especially in Ginebra. I'm not sure if it's going to be implemented as a strategy, but I think other teams might use it more. We'll see. I think only time will tell kung effective siya with it.
Sa training nyo, are you guys starting to practice it or integrate it na to your system? Or hindi pa? Hindi pa
No, in fact, I think, I don't think we're gonna really use it as a strategy for the game. I think it will definitely change the dynamic of how you play the game, especially when there's a big lead or something, but I don't think it's gonna be part of our strategy.
Pero personally, ikaw, you will be starting to, develop it, integrate it to your...
I don't know, but there are times when I shoot far, but I don't really look for it because I think mas mataas percentage on the 3-point line. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to be shooting 4 points.
Sige. And personally, ano lang thoughts mo dun sa pag-integrate ng 4-point line ngayon sa PBA?
Siyempre, something new. Feeling ko, yan, nag-experiment. Siguro pampa-attract din ng more crowds, ganun. Yeah, I mean, like what Juan said, only time will tell kung effective ba talaga siya or ano. So, hindi ko rin masabi kung it's a good thing or bad thing. Siyempre, mag-adjust pa yung mga teams.
Nag-start na ba kayong gawin siya or pag-practice siya ngayon sa training niya?
Not really. I mean, yeah, may mga line, pero ilan lang yung nag-attempt tumira ng 4-point play. Siguro isa, dalawang tao lang. Yeah.
Bilang former Gilas member naman, sa tingin mo makaka-apekto ba siya sa pag-compete ng Gilas sa FIBA and other international tournaments?
Feeling ko hindi masyado kasi once mag-compete ulit kunwari sa international, yung natural instinct pa rin naman is yung 3-point line talaga eh. So hindi mo talaga hahanapin yung 4-point line. Yeah.
Thank you.